Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever wondered why some students seem to remember everything effortlessly during exams? Here are 9 memory tricks and mnemonics for exam success. The key to exam success. Well, the secret often lies not just in hard work, but in smart strategies. Today, we're exploring a toolkit of memory tricks and mnemonics designed to boost retention, ensure effective recall, and significantly reduce exam stress. These techniques are not just study aids. They are essential elements in transforming the way information is absorbed and retrieved. Stay tuned as we dive into 9 powerful memory tricks that can transform your exam preparation. Prioritize sleep for peak performance. First up, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Diving into the world of exams, we often focus on cramming sessions and overlook one of the most critical elements for success: quality sleep. Sleep isn't just about resting. It's a vital part of how our brains consolidate and strengthen memories. During the night, our brains are busy at work, organizing and linking the information we've learned throughout the day. A well-rested brain is significantly more adept at encoding new information. It's like giving your brain the right tools to build a strong memory fortress. This fortress isn't just for short-term recall, but ensures that you can retrieve this information when it really counts, like during an exam. Moreover, consistent, restorative sleep enhances cognitive functions, including problem-solving, critical thinking, and the ability to focus, all essential gears in the machinery of exam success. So as you prepare for your next big test, think of sleep as your secret weapon. Remember, when it comes to exams, sleep is not for the weak, it's for the wise. Learn like a bard. Next, let's turn complex information into captivating stories. Imagine you're trying to remember the intricate process of photosynthesis. Instead of wrestling with technical terms and disjointed facts, picture a story. The sun, a generous king, bestows energy upon a kingdom of leaves. These leaves, in turn, convert this golden bounty into life-giving sustenance for the entire forest, producing oxygen as a gracious gift to the world. This storytelling technique isn't just for biology. Let's say you're tackling the history of the Roman Empire. Visualize it as a dramatic saga of rise and fall, with emperors and gladiators playing pivotal roles in a grand theatrical play. Each event becomes a scene, each historical figure a character with motives and actions. By breaking down complex information into a narrative, you not only make the material more engaging, but also enhance your ability to recall it when needed. So, weave a tale around your study material and watch the facts come alive during your exams. See it to believe it. Now, how can seeing real-life applications boost your memory? Imagine you're learning about the principles of heat and conductivity. It might seem like just another chapter in your physics book, until you realize this is exactly why airplanes are painted white. The color reflects sunlight and minimizes heat absorption, protecting the plane and keeping it cool. This real-world connection not only makes the concept easier to grasp, but also more memorable. Or consider the marvel of bullet trains. These trains don't have conventional wheels, but glide over tracks using a powerful magnetic levitation system. Understanding the practical application of electromagnetism here transforms a potentially dry subject into a fascinating glimpse into cutting-edge technology. By linking academic concepts to their real-world applications, we engage more of our senses and create vivid, lasting memories. This method not only enhances comprehension, but also retention, making the information readily available when you need it most. When you know the why and the how, the what becomes much easier to remember. Chart your way to success. Let's map our minds to better grasp complex concepts. Imagine turning a vast ocean of information into a structured, easy-to-navigate visual map. That's the essence of mind mapping. This technique involves drawing a central idea and branching out into related subtopics, creating a clear, visual representation of connections and hierarchies. Mind maps work wonders by leveraging our brain's penchant for visual processing. They transform extensive data into an organized flowchart, making it easier to review and recall. When you sketch out these maps, you engage actively with the material, enhancing both comprehension and memory retention. Consider this. Each branch of your mind map is a pathway, each node a checkpoint. As you revisit these pathways, the repetition solidifies your recall capabilities. This method is not just about memorizing, it's about understanding the relationships and the bigger picture. With mind maps, you're not just studying, you're visually capturing knowledge. Sing your way through studies. Ever thought of singing your study notes? Welcome to the fascinating world of musical memory, where melodies become your mental sticky notes. Imagine transforming a complex chemical formula or a timeline of historical events into a catchy tune. The process isn't just fun, it taps into the rhythmic and rhyming aspects of music, which are powerful allies in memory retention. Let's dive into how this works. By setting definitions, dates, or processes to music, you create a memorable pattern. This isn't just about the novelty. Rhythm and melody serve as strong mnemonic devices. For instance, think about how a particular song can bring back vivid memories of specific events or emotions. Now apply that to learning. Whether it's the quadratic formula set to the tune of your favorite pop song or the stages of mitosis in a rap verse, the information sticks. So next time, try setting your notes to music and let the rhythms help you remember. Your memory toolkit. Let's explore some handy mnemonic devices. Mnemonics are like secret codes for your brain, making it easier to remember information. One of the most popular mnemonic devices is the use of acronyms. These are formed by taking the first letter of each word you need to remember and creating a new word from those letters. For example, to remember the colors of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet, you can use the acronym ROYGBIV. Another effective mnemonic strategy is the formation of sentences where the first letter of each word stands for another word you need to memorize. Take, for instance, the planets in our solar system. A sentence like, "My very educated mother just served us noodles," represents Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These tools are not just about creating shortcuts, but they also build a bridge to deeper understanding and longer retention of the material. With mnemonics, you can keep vast amounts of information at your fingertips. A trip through your memory palace. Imagine taking a walk inside your mind. Welcome to the fascinating world of the memory palace, a place where information turns into visual landmarks along a path you know by heart. Picture this, each room in your home filled not with furniture, but with facts, figures, and formulas. The journey method, or memory palace technique, leverages the power of spatial memory combined with visual encoding to enhance recall. Start by selecting a familiar location, perhaps your childhood home or your daily walking route. As you mentally stroll through this location, assign each piece of information a specific spot. For instance, imagine placing the quadratic formula on the kitchen counter or the dates of the French Revolution draped over the living room sofa. This method isn't just about placing random facts. It's about creating a vivid, sensory-rich journey. The more detailed and sensory-specific the imagery, the stronger the memory becomes. So, embark on a journey through your memory palace and pick up the facts along the way. Sequencing made simple. Need to remember things in order? Let's peg them down. Imagine you're faced with a string of facts or events that need to be remembered in a precise sequence. This is where the PEG method shines, turning abstract numbers into a gallery of vivid, memorable images. This technique is particularly useful for students who need a reliable way to recall ordered information during exams. Here's how you can harness the power of the PEG method. Start by assigning a unique, easily visualized image to each number. For instance, 1 could be a sun, 2 a swan, 3 a tree. These images are your PEGs. Now, connect each fact you need to remember to these PEGs. If you're studying the steps of scientific processes, picture the sun powering photosynthesis as step 1, a swan swimming in a lake for water cycle as step 2, and a tree absorbing carbon dioxide for step 3. By linking these images with facts, the PEG method not only helps in memorizing sequences, but also makes the review process engaging and imaginative. With the PEG method, every number tells a story, and every story holds a fact. Now that we've explored these 9 memory-enhancing techniques, let's quickly recap. From the foundational importance of prioritizing sleep to the creative rhythms of musical memory, each strategy offers a unique approach to bolstering recall. We delved into storytelling, transforming complex information into engaging narratives, and the practical application of concepts, making abstract ideas tangible. Mind maps help visually organize thoughts, while mnemonics, chunking, and advanced mnemonic strategies like the journey method and peg system provide robust tools for memorization. Integrating these techniques into your study routine can revolutionize how you prepare for exams. Whether it's using melodies to memorize definitions or constructing a memory palace to store complex sequences, these methods not only enhance recall, but also make learning a more enjoyable and effective process. Adopt these strategies today and turn your next exam into a triumph of memory. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.